Hey, just Eric3960 here from the Discord server The Language Zone. Go check them out in the description below. I do lessons there as well as other people do too. If you want to learn a language, go check them out, discord.gg/tlz. We also hold some fun events in there. So we are a fun community. Go check them out. So today I'll be doing a lesson 3 on my native language, which is Filipino or Tagalog. It says here lesson 4, but ignore that. But we're talking about adverbs and now forming basic sentences. Since you already know what adverbs are, they describe the adverbs of time, adverbs of place. They modify the adjective, some sort of stuff. If you remember your lessons in English. So now we're also gonna be forming basic sentences, so you can get the gist of word structure in Tagalog or Filipino. So let's get right to it. So first we go for adverbs of time, since from my opinion it's the most used kind of adverb where we state the time or where it happened, when it happened. So we say it in pang-abay ng panahon. So pang-abay meaning an adverb and panahon meaning time. As such, there are several adverbs of time. So this yesterday, kahapon, now today, ngayon, right now sa ngayon, bukas, pagkatapos. So for the example, you can say kahapon pa yan nangyari. That happened yesterday. Or that's how you form a sentence. We go for this first. So kahapon is there, right? So meaning that happened. Nangyari meaning yung nangyari meaning happened. So that's the verb. And then kahapon, it states when it happened. It may be placed at the back of the sentence, but it still appears as in the front in the English sentence. So if you don't, I don't know how to explain it actually, but yes, it goes by those lines. So other adverbs of time go later, mamaya, susunod na linggo, nakaraang linggo, kagabi, ngayong umaga, pa, and pa rin. Yet and still meaning during, not like the staying still. Okay, so there's adverbs of manner. The adverbs of manner show how you things have been done. Answers the question how, paano. Pang-abay ng paraan. So fast, quickly, mabilis, slowly, carefully, dahan-dahan, quite, lubos, or you could say these are the only examples that I could actually think of, like back in November, if you can see over here. There are several more, just couldn't actually find some resources that were quite accurate, so I'll leave you at that to find it. So adverbs of frequency, pang-abay ng paano, madalas. Tell you how frequently things are done. Always, lagi, palagi, minsan, karaniwan, paminsan-minsan, madalas, hindi masyado, kanina. Nangyari yan kanina, that happened a while ago. May nangyari ba kanina? Well, hindi masyado. Did something happen? Not much. So those are just a couple of test phrases that are actually, of course, used IRL. And if you have any questions, you can just join the server and DM me. I can answer your questions if you want. So adverbs of place. So yeah, pang-abay ng lugar. Adverbs of place can also act as demonstrative pronouns. Yeah, although only some of them. So here, dito, there, dyan, doon, kahit saan, sa lahat, malayo. So if your driver says, saan ka ba pupunta? And then, meaning where do you wanna go? You can say kahit saan, but I recommend you don't say that. You can just say around the corner, or dyan lang sa gilid, or sa unahan. Just a couple examples just to clarify. So, how to construct a simple sentence? So, it's paano bumuo ng simpleng pangungusap. It's rather easy. It follows the verb subject object rule, but also follows the subject verb object rule as well. So, as I said, the verb comes first, then the subject, then the object. So this is what I'm talking about. So if you want to do simple sentences here, this is more clarification on that. Of course, binubuhat. Carrying, ko meaning me, ang is like the, mga, our nouns don't have any plural. We don't have any plural words, so we use mga to emphasize that it's more than one. So mga plato meaning like plates. So basically mga acts as like the S of the noun. So decoding this, it means carrying the plates. Yeah, we will do vocab memorization soon, but I don't think you're not ready for that yet, so we'll just get to that pretty soon. So another example is siya mismo ang gumawa nito. So siya, he mismo, himself, gumawa nito. So as you can see, it's self-explanatory. I mean, mismo is like ako mismo, I myself. Mismo is the universal self pronoun. Siya mismo, ako mismo, lolo ko mismo. Yeah, that's the universal self. Themselves, myself, herself. Yep. I'm pretty sure you get it. I'm sure you get it now. So identify one adverb and the verb in the sentence. I'll leave you to that. You can pause the video right now and you can, it's just an exercise though, just to see if you actually try to learn anything in this video. Okay, don't blame me. So yeah, recap of lesson so far. Sentences are formed using the VSO rule. And there are several infixes that can be added to a verb or noun, but it's mostly verbs. There's a lot. Trust me. A word's meaning and use depends on the infixes used. So, in English, you just put the stress on a different syllable and it means something else, right? In our case, we do the same. Well, not with everything, but we do the same. So, for example, hapon, the stress is on the first syllable. It means afternoon. But if we put the stress on the last syllable, hapon, that means the Japanese people or just the Japanese. Yeah, these are the common adverbs used in my opinion because I don't see any other kinds of adverbs really used. So, like mamaya na, kahapon. So if you can review these, you can go join the server, and this is just pinned in the Filipino chat. Go get your roles there, and you can just review this. And we can put in a bit of fun too. So our next lesson will be about Philippine culture, like certain places in the Philippines, and if you wanna check that out on Google Maps, I won't stop you. I guess that's it. Then. So thanks for checking out this video. This actually fulfills my purpose a bit, so don't hesitate to ask me anything if you have any questions. So thanks for listening. Bye.